it's me, Terri of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 25. Merry Christmas, everybody. It is quite later in the evening because we had a get-together today here for Christmas at my house. I hosted, and so it was a very nice time with family and a lot of food. I'm stuffed. And so but I did want to come on and do my Vlogmas, my last day of the Vlogmas swap that I was doing with Valerie of Valerie's Cuddly Cat Crochet. And so I have one package left to open. So let's open it up and I'll see what I got. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh, how cool. Okay, so there are, Jelly Bellies. Oh, my younger son, he loves Jelly Bellies. So I'm going to have to hide these. Anyway, but I'll share. This is cool. Some of these, I've never even heard of some of these flavor mixes before. So that's going to be fun to taste, and then you taste Jelly Bellies, and then you have to you try to guess what flavor it is. So that'll be fun. Okay, so there was that box of Jelly Bellies, and Lifesaver gummies. I love those too. And some more stickers. Let's see. This is a coconut cocktails sticker. And 2 heart stickers. Those are cool. Look at those, very pretty. And a little tiny heart-shaped, I don't know if I can show it to you, but it's a heart-shaped paper clip. I hope you can see that. I've never seen that before. A heart-shaped paper clip. That's cool. Okay, and then also in the package, push that out of the way, was Star Trek sticky notes. Oh, those are so cool. I'm gonna have to open the package. Let's see. I gotta use my scissors here to open it up. I think I've seen these before, like on Amazon, but I've never ordered them. Oh, but this is gonna be neat. Let's see. Okay. Star Trek sticky notes. The right notes for every enterprise. That's cool. Oh, wow. So it's got, it has, like, are they separate? Let me see. Oh, yeah. So it's these are separate strips, and it's like to, to mark pages. Don't have my words today. Anyway, so that's neat. There's Scotty, Spock, Bones, and Captain Kirk. And so, see, each one of them are individual. And then you have, of course, the Star Trek insignia emblem, I guess you'd call it, right? And that's a sticky note. Oh, neat. And then this says, while you were beaming down, and then it's got notes on here like, it's like you're taking a message, like if you're getting a phone call or something, and or somebody called you and you weren't there, and so it's like they left a message, and so it's like the secretary that's taking a message for you. And it's got hailed, beamed aboard, return your hail, wants to see you after your 5-year mission, communication. So it's like little notes. Isn't that cute? It's got Uhura in it, or a picture of her. And let's see, they're all the same. That's so cute. So there you go. So thank you so much, Valerie. That's so neat. Okay, so that is what I got for in my Vlogmas Day 25. That is the end of all the Vlogmas packages for this year. So I really enjoyed doing this swap with you, Valerie, so much. It's been such a fun time to do this with you, and I look forward, of course, to doing things with you collaboration-wise, or something. I know we talked about maybe expanding our idea of these challenge kits. I know that there's been several people comment saying that they enjoyed seeing us come up with something to make with the challenge kits, and so I think it'll be fun. Maybe I'm gonna work with Valerie, and we're gonna kind of work together and come up with some sort of challenge kit idea that we can expand for the next year and involve other people here that are YouTubers. I think it'll be fun. So be looking for more details about that. Okay, so let's see, what else did I do today? Well, like I said, had a bunch of people over. Well, my in-laws, my mom, both my sons, my younger son who lives here with us, but then my older son who is married and has the grandbaby, they were here, and so I got a lot of grandbaby snuggles again. I really always enjoy that. And then my brother-in-law was here, and I hadn't seen him in a few months. He lives a few hours away from us. This is my husband's brother, and so I didn't know he was coming, but it was a nice surprise that he was able to come and spend a little time with us and visit. Isn't very nice. Oh, and so we did watch a Christmas movie today. We watched The Christmas Story, just like I was telling you yesterday we were going to do. It's kind of a family tradition that we'll watch A Christmas Story, and so we did watch that. But as soon as I get finished filming, because it is, let me see, it is 7:30 right now. Well, so as soon as I get finished filming, it'll be a little bit before I edit this video and post, because I'm getting ready to watch the Christmas special of Call the Midwife, and I love Call the Midwife, and so like I said, they're having a Christmas special tonight, so I'm getting ready to watch that as soon as I get finished filming, and then I will edit the video because it's one of my favorite shows, so I don't want to miss it. Okay, so so what did I work on? I did actually get a little bit of crocheting done since yesterday, and what I worked on was, I got the sheep done. This is the Nativity set that I've been working on, and I had a few characters. Well, I had the whole set done except for the sheep and an angel. Well, I did get the sheep done and put together, and I took a picture of it, of the Nativity set. Now, if you're part of the Facebook group, I did post a picture earlier in the day, like this morning, so before people arrived at the house, and I think I posted on Facebook, and I said that the sheep was late, or had not shown up yet. The sheep was late, and somebody commented saying, oh, the sheep was picking up coffee because it was this morning. Anyway, because I had posted a picture of my nativity set group without the sheep. Well, I had the sheep, the head and the body, but that was it. I didn't have the legs made or anything. And so after we had our little Christmas party or Christmas get-together, and after everybody left just a little bit ago, I went ahead and got the legs done and went ahead and sewed the pieces together, so then I could say that I did finish him on Christmas Day. And so I just took another picture including the sheep in the picture, and so I'm going to pop that up right here. It was on, and it'll probably, well, we'll see, but it'll probably be the thumbnail of this video. But anyway, I'll pop in a picture right here, so then you can see the complete, well, minus the angel, nativity set. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so I am so happy that I got all those pieces and I was able to get them out today. I just put them out this morning just before people came for lunch. So I'm glad that I was able to get all the animals done anyway and the characters, except for the angel. I haven't done that. But December is not over yet, so maybe in the next few days I'll go ahead and get the angel done. And then by... before the 1st, so probably you know, in my next, at least by Thursday in my next Yarnjoy podcast video, I will hopefully have at least one angel made to complete the set, but we'll see. But anyway, I'm glad I got all the rest of the characters finished. So, because that was one of my goals for this year, is to do that set. So maybe I will try to go ahead and get that angel done. I am still working on, now I haven't worked on today, but I still have one more challenge kit that was part of my Vlogmas that I have not done anything with yet, and so I still have that. Plus I have some leftover balls that I may just make more octopi. It is such a fun pattern to do, so I don't know, the backpack buddies I showed you yesterday. Anyway, but I will do something different with this challenge kit, and then I'll have little leftover balls to do something with. But anyway, I've got all the challenge kits done except for this one last one, so I'll be working on that also in the next couple of days. So okay, so I'm gonna go. I think that is it that I needed to say. And like I said, I'm getting ready to watch my the Called the Midwife Christmas special. It's on PBS. I'm sure you can get it. You can watch it online, pbs.org, and you could probably watch it online after it plays. But anyway, that's it. I'm going to take a break and not have a video tomorrow. But and I talked about my upcoming schedule yesterday in yesterday's video. But probably you won't see me back again until Wednesday. Yeah, probably. And then you'll see me Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So stay tuned for those. You can see how I did on my goals for this past year. And then also another one of the videos will be my goals for 2022. I'm going to spend the next few days getting this craft room cleaned up and prepared for starting the new year. So I think that'd be good. It'd be a good idea to get this place straightened up and start afresh. So I have to be really brave if I want to take a before picture, because it's really a mess. Really is. They say creative people or artistic people or messy people. Well, I must be really creative because it's a mess in here. Anyway, so I may take a before and then after I get things fixed up. I may change things around a little bit in here. We'll see how ambitious I get. Anyway, I'm going to go. So everybody have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you in the next few days in the next video. Bye.